In this video, I'll show you how to sponsor someone on Cash App. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Okay, so if you're thinking sponsoring someone on Cash App, and say for example you wanted to appear it as a gesture to support a friend or a family member in need of financial assistance, or maybe like sponsoring to be a form of gift or contribute to celebrations like birthdays, weddings, or special occasions, whatever the reason may be, this video is for you. Right, so first in our steps would be open your mobile device. All right, and what we're going to do next is simply, all right, now a parent or a trusted adult with a verified account can also invite someone 13 to 17 to create a Cash App account and manage money together. So to invite someone, all you're gonna do is tap the profile icon on your Cash App home screen. All right, select family and tap invite 18. All right, and of course follow prompts to share link using text or email. All right, so what will happen is, once the sponsor has sent an invite, they will need to finish the setting up the sponsored account from their own Cash App account, right? And obviously, to approve a sponsor request, all they're gonna do is tap the activity icon on your Cash App home screen. On request for approval, tap review the terms and conditions, and tap approve. All right. And also, it would be nice if you go here at cash.app slash families to learn more about sponsoring Cash App accounts. Everyone 13 and up can start using Cash App when sponsored by a parent or trusted adult. All right, so that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in the next one.